What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're gonna do today is go over Tuesday's recap and jump right into Wednesday's game plan. Guys, before we start that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way you stay on top of the plays. Let's go ahead and jump into it. See if we got anything that will rock the markets in the morning. We have the new home sales at 10 a.m. and that's about it. Thursday, we got a big day ahead of us Thursday, but we're talking about Wednesday, so let's stay with it. First ticker up, we gonna do it with newbies and the beginners. We gonna go ahead and dial into Nike. So with Nike is currently sitting at 87.45. If you are a bull, you want to see these levels up here at 87.65 get taken out. They take out that, they run into 88.25. They break through that, they got room to run. Again, guys, I told y'all what the price target on this. Price target on this right here is 90 bucks. We get the 90 bucks. We scale out of that ticker with profit. And if we want to enter again, we look at a different entry. We wait for a pullback of some sort, and then we get back in, because I do think Nike has the potential to get back in the hundreds after they replaced their CEO. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 87.10 get taken out. They can take out 87.10. You got this level at 86.60. They break through that right there. They're going to drop this thing down to 85.80 level and lower. Next ticker up is gonna be Palantir. We're currently sitting at 36.83. So if you are a bull, you want to see this level right here at 37.20 get taken out. They can take out that. They're gonna start running this thing up to this stuff up in here. That's what you want to see. If you are a bull, if you are a bear, what you want to see is this stuff down in here get taken out. You want to see 36.40 get taken out. They can break through that. They got room to start pulling this sucker back. Next ticker up is going to be INTC. They're currently sitting at 22.80. If you are a bull, you want to see 22.90 get taken out. They can take out 22.90. They're going to run it up to 23.10, and that's where you want to see them break through. They can break through that. They got room to run up. Again, guys, we ran this thing up about $5-6 from where our original entry was on this. All that jumped into that play when I called it out. Congratulations, you made money. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 22.70 get taken out. They can take out 22.70. They're going to come back down to this stuff up in here, 22.35 and lower. The next ticker up is going to be AMD. Got a lot of requests for this one right here. Here you go. Don't say Fresh don't care, because Fresh cares. I'm giving it to you. AMD is currently sitting at 158.50. If you are a bull, you want to see these tops right here at 159 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom. We run into 159.60. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms get taken out at 157.70. They can break out 157.70. They can start that downward press all the way down. I got a level at 155.90. They break through that. Ultimately, you want to see 154.55 taken out. They can take out that. Boom. We coming back down. That's it for the newbies and the beginners. All right, big ballers, where y'all at? Come to the table. We ready to go ahead and give you something to eat on. First ticker, I got a request for SMCI. Here you go. Think this is from Tune in the Discord. If you are a bull, what you want to see with them is a breakthrough at 465.40. They break through that right there. They're going to run this thing to your next level up here at 468.80. Next level is going to be 471.01. They break through that. They can go to 473.55. That's going to be a heavy level right here. If they can break through that, they're going to start popping it up in this area up here, the 475 to 477 area. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 461.40 get taken out. They can take out 461.40. They're going to start coming down to this level down here at 458.40. They break through that. Ultimately, you want to see these bottoms right here get taken out. They can take out 452.20. They coming back down. I might jump into this play tomorrow if we start getting some pullback, because that's a nice little pullback there. That's almost a $10 drop. Next ticker up, we're going to do Nvidia. Nvidia had some movement today, as you see. Boom! They ran that thing all the way down from 115 to 122, but they're currently sitting at 121.62. If you are a bull, you want to see these tops get taken out where they struggled at 121.80. They can break through that. They're going to start running up to the 123.40 area, the 125, 127. The ultimate goal, once they get through to 125, is going to be to crack that 130. We'll play that level to level once it shows what it want to do, and we'll be all into it. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 120.10 get taken out. They can take out 120.10. They got some room to drop. That next level is going to be 119.53. I put it out in the Discord. I said if they lost 119.50, man, they were going to be in some trouble. And that's why it was some people in puts into this Nvidia play. And you guys know I give you my outlook on the downside and I give you my outlook on the upside. But I knew sometimes you can just look on the charts and you know where the bears and the bulls is going to pop out at. And I think I put in my message, hey, here's the levels to the downside, but I'm expecting the bulls to come back into play right around this area right here. Or if they broke through here after they passed the 50 EMA, I knew that they were going to come back into play. And that's exactly what they did. Boom, ran that thing back up to 121.15 and then started trailing back down. They're up at the moment. There you go with Nvidia. Next ticker up is XOM. XOM, we're currently sitting at 117.15. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 117.40 taken out. They can take out 117.40. They're going to try to run this thing back to this area up in here and try to clear these tops. You got 118 and then you got 118.20. They break through that. Boom, they going back up top. If you are a bear, it's simple. You see all these rejections down here? You want to see them take out that area right there. If you bearish in this play at 116.80, they can break through that right there. They're going to start this little climb all the way back down to these bottoms right here in this corner at 116 even before they shoot their shot back down to this level here, 115.30. Ultimately, it'll be really nice for them to drop down to 114.30 if you are a bear. Next ticker up is QQQ. For the Qs, we gonna do it like this. All right, they're sitting at 485.80. If you are a bull, you want to see 486.35 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, they're going to run up. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here at 484.50 get taken out. They can take out that. You want to see this level right in here at 483.70 get taken out. They got to show up right here. The bulls, they got to pop it here. If they don't, we coming all the way back down to this stuff up in here. The bears will shoot their shot and they will drop this to 480.15. There's some numbers or some levels for you to pay attention to if you are interested in QQQ. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. And I know the newbies and beginners probably like, man, you only gave us a handful of tickers and you giving a whole bunch to the big ballers. Man, this is what everybody is wanting. I'm getting requests on this stuff. I got to give the people what they want. That is my responsibility. Guys, if you got anything or any requests that you want pulled up in the video, let me know in the comments below. I read the comments, and if I get enough comments saying that I want XYZ or whatever the ticker is, I will make sure I add it in the next video. Tesla is currently sitting at 254.25. If you are a bull, you want to see 254.55 get taken out. If they break that, you got boom, 255.10. They break through that, look at all of this. Boom, they run into 257.50. If you are a bear in this right here, you want to see 253.90 get taken out. They can take out that. They got 253.30. That's going to be super heavy level. They break through that. You got this area right here, 252.40. Then these bottoms right here at 251. Ultimately, you want to see this stuff in here get taken out. They're going to pull it back to 247.70. All right, that is Tesla. Last but not least, we're going to do it with the SPY. The SPY, you see it opening, boom, they shot. We ran it all the way up to 571. We're currently sitting at 571.35. I think that was a level that I gave out that it needed to break before it goes any higher. Innocent into proven guilty. I need to see a little higher now in pre-market since they bombed it there. If you are a bull tomorrow, what you want to see is 572.90 get taken out. They can take out that right there. They're going to try to get some energy and boost this thing up to 574, 575. If you are a bear in this play right here, simple. You want to get back down to 570.40 level, and then you want to get to this level 569.45. They can break through that right there. Ultimately, before we really start tumbling downhill, you want to see 567.60 get taken out. They can break through that. Man, we pulling this thing back. It's going to be a long day for SPY. Boom, 465.25 and lower. Guys, that's plays that you can put on your radar for tomorrow. I gave a whole bunch of them. That way you got something that you can pay attention to. You got several different tickers that you can watch and put on your radar and not have to really be stuck in the SPY or stuck into just one particular ticker. All right, I want to go over one thing that somebody put out in the Discord. He was like, yo, D-Fresh, I called a tweezer bottom in here earlier and hit it. First time ever doing that. Boom. If you see right here, he got those tweezer tops. He played it and ran that thing back up top. We've been talking about tweezer tops for the last couple weeks, and man, it feels good to see you guys are out there dominating the tweezer tops. You dominating the rundown to the 200 and riding it back up. Man, these are money-making opportunities that you can spot by just studying some candlestick formations and executing real-time market. Always set your stop loss because, again, none of these plays are guaranteed, but the higher probability of these plays working out in your favor turns into money. Man, I love it when I see this right here. I'm super duper proud of you. Champagne bottles in the air for you for knocking that thing out of the ballpark. All right, guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.